Welcome back to Jannitto's farm. Today, we're diving into the world of purple passion fruit, a crop that brings sweetness, abundance, and income right to your doorstep. And here's the good news. Planting purple passion is the same as planting yellow passion. If you haven't seen our latest upload on yellow passion, make sure to check it out after this video. Now, let's get started on this exciting journey. Start with healthy, certified seeds or seedlings. If you're using seeds, sow them in a nursery bed, seedling trays, or small pots filled with fine soil. Keep the nursery shaded and water lightly every day. In 4 to 6 weeks, your seedlings will be strong enough for transplanting. Before transplanting, prepare your land. Clear away weeds, bushes, and unwanted plants. A clean field gives your vines space to breathe and grow strong. Dig holes about 2 to 3 feet apart. Place your seedlings carefully and cover them gently with soil. Right after planting, water generously. Passion vines love moisture to establish their roots. Add mulch around the base. Dry grass, leaves, or crop residues. Mulching keeps the soil moist, prevents weeds, and protects roots from heat. As your vines grow, prune away weak or excess shoots. This directs energy to the strong branches, ensuring bigger, sweeter fruits. And here's the exciting part. You don't need a big farm to grow purple passion fruit. If you love it, plant it in your backyard using racks, tins, sacks, clay pots, or even buckets. Passion vines climb beautifully, and with a little support, they'll reward you with fruits right at home. All right, before we move forward, let's pause for a moment and see how well the journey has sunk in. Imagine I'm tossing you a few questions, just to check if the seeds of knowledge I planted have truly sprouted. Think back. From the moment we obtained those tiny seeds, carefully nurtured them in the nursery, and finally spread them across the big piece of land to grow into strong vines. Now, let's see what you've carried with you. What color is passion fruit's skin when it's ripe? Which part of the fruit do we actually eat? And can you name one nutrient that makes this fruit so valuable? If those answers roll off your tongue with ease, then I know you've not only listened but truly understood the journey. From seed to soil, from nursery to field, you've walked the path of purple passion fruit cultivation, and now you hold the knowledge of its growth and its gifts. As our vines grow strong, we must remember that pests are always waiting to steal the fruits of our labor. Look closely at the leaves. Tiny aphids may gather underneath, sucking sap and weakening the plant. Fruit flies can pierce the skin of ripe passion fruits, leaving them to rot before harvest. And spider mites weave fine webs, draining the life from tender shoots. But here's the good news. Every pest has a solution. Neem oil sprays and ladybird beetles keep aphids under control. Sticky traps catch fruit flies before they damage the crop. A splash of water or sulfur dust clears away spider mites. And with good farm hygiene, clearing weeds, rotating crops, and pruning wisely, your purple passion farm stays healthy and productive. Remember, a farmer's eye must always be sharp. Spot the pests early, act quickly, and your vines will reward you with abundant, sweet harvests. Purple passion fruit is more than just a crop. It's a business opportunity. With proper care, each vine can produce kilos of fruit, which fetch high prices in local and export markets. Imagine turning your farm or backyard into a source of steady income while enjoying the beauty of lush, fruit-laden vines. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced farmer, purple passion fruit is your path to abundance. From seeds in the nursery to vines in the field, every step brings you closer to harvest. And remember, if you haven't seen our yellow passion tutorial, it's waiting for you as our latest upload. Plant more, grow more, and let your farm flourish. Subscribe to Jannitto's Farm for more guides, and let's grow together. Bye-bye. Lots of love from Jannitto. Let's meet in the next video.